Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Create a new company file and enter your business name, EIN, fiscal year start, and opening balances. Choose accrual or cash basis accounting to match your tax reporting, and set the fiscal year start date to January 1 or your chosen month. Set up a chart of accounts with asset, liability, equity, income, and expense accounts, and assign account numbers. Enter customer and vendor default terms like 30-day net or 2% 10 days. Enable automatic backups weekly, and verify the location on an external drive or cloud service. Create invoices from customers. Create invoices, include item details, quantity, rate, and sales tax percentage so your records match printed or emailed bills. Use items for products and services to preserve descriptions and pricing. Set standard rates and track quantities when applicable. Record customer payments via receive payments, apply to open invoices, and deposit to the proper bank account to keep accounts receivable accurate. Set up sales tax items and agencies, and track taxable sales at the appropriate sales tax percentage for quick returns. Reconcile bank accounts monthly by matching statement ending balances and dates to cleared transactions and reconcile. Resolve discrepancies by finding missing checks or duplicate entries. Process payroll through employees. Pay employees, withhold taxes, calculate employer taxes, and remit payroll liabilities by their due dates to avoid penalties. Use the Reports menu to generate profit and loss and balance sheet for any date range, and run vendor reports to prepare 1099s for contractors with payments over 00 during the tax year. Backup and close the books at year-end after final reconciliations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.